Encountered a RID file related to Rockstar Games and unsure of its purpose? These are identifier files used by Rockstar Games Social Club platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Rockstar ID files contain and how they work. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There's a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest RID cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A RID file is a unique identifier file created by Rockstar Games titles, most notably Grand Theft Auto. It contains a user's Rockstar ID, which is used to track player progress, online activity, and social club features. Users often encounter this file when managing game saves or troubleshooting account issues. This file is typically a small plain text or simple binary file containing a single unique alphanumeric string, representing the player's Rockstar ID. Its purpose is purely functional, to provide a simple, persistent on-disk reference to the user's online account, linking local game data to the cloud-based Rockstar Social Club. Rockstar Games defined Grand Theft Auto 5 as the application primarily intended for RID. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows cannot display in-game assets or logic, so dedicated extraction tools are necessary. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the RID file and click Open with. Test Grand Theft Auto 5 if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. When your RID file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, verifying account status. RID files are managed automatically by the Rockstar Games Launcher and Social Club services. Verify your account status by launching the Rockstar Games Launcher and signing in. Issues with RID files often resolve themselves when the launcher synchronizes with Rockstar's servers, refreshing identification data and account credentials. Next, repairing game installation. If RID file issues cause game launch failures, use the Rockstar Games Launcher's Verify Integrity option to check and repair game files. Right-click the affected game in your library, select Properties, and choose Verify Integrity. The launcher downloads any corrupted or missing files, including RID files needed for proper authentication. Finally, contacting Rockstar Support. For persistent RID file problems, contact Rockstar Games Support through support.rockstargames.com. Account-related issues require official assistance as RID files are tied to authentication systems that cannot be modified manually. Provide your account details, game version, and detailed error descriptions for fastest resolution of identification problems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.